Exactly what I was thinking is what's happening. But when he does attack, who knows how much speed he'll have and tyre compared to Pecco. Just about who
is the fact that Joan Zarco is his teammate behind him, who's clearly not going to make any aggressive moves. Maverick Vinales and Enea Bastianini. The pace is holding up here. The beast coming here later. Zarco has gone through them. I guess he has no choice. No option. Although he runs in wide though now through that first corner. This just gives indication of Jorge Martin's struggles out here tonight in Qatar. Bastianini, the quickest man on circuit with a 1:53.